Here we have SEWPRO 273-6040. This is 600 by 400 programmable sewing machine. And uniqueness of this machine, it's heavy duty. It can handle heavy thread. It comes with a shuttle hook and this style bobbin, which holds a lot of thread. And we have a diamond pattern design here so that to make some inserts for seats in the back and the bottom of the automotive seats. And I will just show you how this thing does. Also, we have using size 270 thread. It's pretty heavy. A lot of machines won't handle this. So this is what we're gonna run, size 270 as a top, and the bottom will be 138. And let's just do it. So it has a system that locks in place, and we use vinyl with a 1/4-inch foam. It can be actually 1/2-inch foam. And let's just start doing this thing. Machine has a hot knife. We're not activating it right now, but it's a possibility. So let's just run the machine. What you hear is an air cooler. It just as soon as the machine turned on, it runs a little air. And it's pretty heavy thread. It lays 5mm stitch length. So let's just run through the whole cycle here. We're running about 400 RPM speed. It's not very fast, but for quality of stitch with the heavy thread, you don't want to run it fast. So it's a long pattern. It takes a while to do it, but the machine is up to it. I did not have a full bobbin to begin with. I hope it, but it holds a lot of thread. So normally it would have enough thread to run throughout the whole pattern. last row. And here you have it. It's diamond stitch is done on SEWPRO 273/60/40. Beautiful look. Look at this stitch, how it stands out because of the heavy thread.